Hola, ¿qué tal? Para este video vamos a aprender los meses en español. We're just going to take a quick look at the 12 months in Spanish, and I'm going to give you some maybe tips on how to learn them appropriately. This video, I was inspired to make this video by some of my students who just do a really poor job of spelling the months in Spanish, and I'm going to tell you what the best way is to learn how to spell these. So what I'm going to do for you right now is here are the 12 months in Spanish on the screen. I'm going to pronounce them for you, and I'm going to tell you what you need to do so you can do well on the test. So starting with January: enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. So typical mistakes my students are making. I'll put some on the. I'll put maybe my top 6 mistakes here right now on the screen. Are these? And what you need to ask yourself when you're writing these months down is how would this sound if I say it? So that first one, if I pronounce that word, it would sound like Augusto. And then you have to ask yourself, does my teacher ever say Augusto in the class? And of course, the answer is going to be no. He says agosto. So you spell it just like it sounds. Next common mistake, people put diciembre. I never say that. It's always diciembre. There's some I's in there. So again, listen to the word and you'll spell it correctly. No, a lot of people put November. They forget the noviembre, the I that's in there. Same with September, septiembre, the I should be in there. October, you've never heard your teacher say octubre. Octubre with a U in there, octubre. And lastly, I actually just had this mistake this year. Someone wrote marzo with an S. Now, it would be pronounced the same whether it's an S or a Z, so this just comes down to you need to make sure you look at your flashcards a little bit before you actually have to take a quiz. So with the months, make sure you learn how they are pronounced, because the people that don't learn how to pronounce them often do very poorly on the written part of the a quiz or a test or what have you. So again, just play back again the pronunciation of the months if you need to. Memorize the pronunciation as well as the spelling, and you'll do fine on the test. And just one last note, the months, much like the days of the week in Spanish, are not capitalized. That's it. If you have questions, let me know. Thanks.